In this video, we'll walk through the Problem Solvers tool and show how to quickly derive missing trade parameters from what you already know or find an answer to almost all your trading questions. This tool is designed for situations where you don't want to calculate everything manually. You can either input everything known values or try to find answers in solvers. We'll start at the top and then walk through two concrete solver examples. At the very top, you'll see the Quick Finder. This lets you type natural questions like take profit for 2R or size from $100 risk and jump directly to the relevant solver. Below, that is the build from known section. At the top of this section, you'll also find fee settings. Here you can include trading fees and execution costs, so all results are calculated net, not just price only. Here, you enter the core trade inputs you already have. Start by selecting the trade side, long or short, and enter the entry price. Next, choose the position size mode. If you already know the position size, enter the quantity here. Stop loss and take profit are optional at this stage. Some solvers require a stop loss, others don't, so you only fill what's needed. Account equity is also optional, but it becomes important for ROI-based and equity-based targets. Below this, you'll see optional targets. These are different goals you might want to solve for, like net profit, gross profit, risk, reward, ROI, or equity multiple. You don't need to fill all of them. Each solver will clearly indicate which inputs it uses. As you enter values, results start appearing automatically in the Available Results section. Now let's move to Solver sections and look at the first example solver. Example 1. Take profit from target net profit. We can input it in the Quick Finder to find it quickly. Click on the result you want and it will take you to the proper solver. In this case, the goal is simple. You know how much money you want to make on the trade after all costs. Enter a target net profit value. Based on your entry price, position size, fees, and direction, the tool calculates the exact take profit price required to hit that net profit. In the results, you'll see the take profit price that achieves the target net profit. This solver is especially useful when trading fixed monetary goals, prop firm limits, or daily targets. Now, let's move to the second example. Example 2 into Quick Finder. Let's type in size from fixed dollar risk. Let's choose this one from proposed solvers. Here, the problem is reversed. You know exactly how much you are willing to lose if the stop loss is hit. Enter the stop loss price and the dollar risk amount. Based on the entry price and trade direction, the tool calculates the exact position size that risks that amount, including fees if enabled. In the results, you'll see the calculated position size that risks exactly the specified dollar amount at the stop loss. This solver answers questions like, how big can I trade if I only want to risk $100? Or, what size keeps me within my risk rules for this stop placement? Below these examples, you'll find many additional solvers. There are solvers for risk-reward targets, ROI on equity, equity multiples, partial close logic, stop loss from maximum drawdown, and more. Each solver is grouped by purpose and clearly labeled, so you can jump straight to what you need. The key idea behind problem solvers is flexibility. You don't need to follow a single workflow. You start with what you know, choose the solver that matches your goal, and let the tool handle the math consistently and transparently. This makes it ideal for quick planning, validation, and answering what-if questions before placing a trade.